Good afternoon. Today we are going to test your adult swab machine with round cam packing table. This is round cam packing and with 200 pieces inside. Okay, right now we are running machine for you, for your check. Okay. Here is the hook for feeding the plastic here. And here is a notch. Make the notch on the both of the stick. And here is a cotton slaver. Feeding the cotton slaver 1.5 gram per meter. And this is the mode. Slow changing mode, you can produce different type of the swab. Right now the speed of the machine is 1000 per meter. And here is the control plant. You can running and stop machine and adjust the speed of the machine here. And this is the drying oven. And here is the fan to remove the humidity. Ni seli, iba hilang ya om. Cái lão cắn phá này, pha thì cái cắn phá này. Đúng không? Cắn Thank you for your watch. This is the speed. 1000. And this is your invoice number. Finish. Right now we are going to test your machine, your baby swab machine.